Hi everybody, I'm Lil Al, and today I'm going to be playing Restoring the Light Phasing the Dark from Ori and the Blind Forest on my tuba. If you want, there's a link in the description for my tuba video, my trombone video on playing this and teaching you how to play it, but I'll be doing the same in this video. So first I will play it, and then I will teach you how to play it. So, you may be thinking it's slightly difficult, or that it's difficult. It is. It's slightly difficult, but once you start getting it consistently, it will become easier. So, we start off with a simple G. So, in the trombone video, I'll be saying you start with D, but tuba is lower than trombone, so I decided to play the higher octave instead of the lower one. So you start with a G, G, high B flat, B flat, A flat, G, F sharp, F. So instead of playing 6th position, instead of playing the 1st and 3rd valves, you will be playing the 2nd and 3rd valves like this. Like that. Like that. That's the whole first part. The next part, what you're going to do, play that again, but leave out the G at the beginning. Just play B flat, A flat, G, A flat. Then do what you did at the beginning. Leave out the G, of course. Do B flat, A flat, G, F sharp, F, but then do 2nd valve, E, 1st valve, E flat, E, F, B flat, B flat, A flat, G, F sharp, F. Okay, let me just play it. So I did the last part. Then what you do, you play B flat, A flat, G, F sharp, F, B flat, A flat, G, A flat, G. What's above G? Give me 1 second. Sorry. So next you need to play, you go, A flat, B flat, B, 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 B flat, B, B flat, D, C, no, D, A flat, no, D, B, A flat, B flat, A flat, G, F sharp, and then, if you're at the end, then you just play everything again, and then, once you approach the end, you play that again, and then, instead of doing all of it again, you go from F sharp to G. So like this. I'll play the whole song for you again, just so you know. I'm sorry for all of the delay on everything I've been doing. I was just trying to figure everything out for a second. Alright, but that's the end of the video. I will see you all in another video.